Hi everybody, we have a product named Semscreed HMF. Semscreed HMF is a general purpose fiber reinforced shrinkage compensating cementitious microconcrete. The benefits of using Semscreed HMF are discussed as under. It compensates for shrinkage in the plastic stage and can be pumped or poured into restricted locations. It is highly fluid to allow placement without vibration. It is pre-packed factory controlled to overcome site batched variations. It has rapid strength gain to facilitate early reinforcement. It has high ultimate strength and low permeability of cured repair. Semscreed HMF does not contain any corrosive chemicals and hence ensures high tensile strength. It is specially reinforced with polypropylene fiber. Semscreed HMF is cost effective with enhanced durability. The uses of Semscreed HMF are as under. Semscreed HMF is used for repairing of column having major loss of section, repairs requiring high fluidity, repairs requiring significant level of load bearing, etc. Semscreed HMF is supplied as a ready to use blend of dry powders which requires only slight addition of water to produce a free flowing non-shrink repair microconcrete. The materials is based on Portland cement, graded aggregates, fillers and additives which impart controlled expansion characteristics in the plastic stage while minimizing water demand. The low water requirement ensures high early strength and long-term durability. For larger repairs, mixed Semscreed HMF can be modified by the addition of 12 mm clean, graded, saturated, surface dry aggregates at site. Application of Semscreed HMF is as under. Apply 1 coat of Safecore R to the exposed reinforcement. If any discontinuity in the applied film is noticed, 1 more coat has to be applied. The concrete substrates should be saturated with water prior to immediate placing. Free water should be removed and prime the substrate using Fairbond EP. A slow setting epoxy bond aid should be applied on dry substrate. Care should be taken to ensure that Semscreed HMF is thoroughly mixed in suitably sized drum with a torque of 400 to 500 rpm rotary drill fitted with a mixing paddle. The addition of graded aggregate where specified should be added after the water and Semscreed HMF should be properly mixed. The mixed material should be placed immediately. If placed by pump, standard concrete pumping should be followed. Curing should start within 2 hours and minimum curing should be same as that for concrete, that is 7 days as cementitious material. in cold conditions down to 15 degrees Celsius. The use of warm water up till 30 degrees Celsius is advisable to accelerate strength development. Semscreed HMF is available in 25 kg bag yielding 12 liters. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.